YouTube, Driller Runner with another trading video. And today we're going to talk about higher time frame versus lower time frames. All right, so right here, as you can see, these are the time frames right here. Notice 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, daily, weekly, and 1 month. All right, so what goes on a higher time frame will let you know where it's going to go for long term wise. All right, so if price is selling, as you can see, the last couple counters right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, has been going down. So therefore, price is in a downtrend. It is bearish. But for the most recent month, as in this is last month counter right here, July 1st, this blue candle is bought, as in buying pressure. So that means price may want to buy for this upcoming month. So what I would do is I will mark this low up, and notice I don't mark the wick up. Okay, you can mark the wick up just in case that's a sell take profit. But what I do is I mark the bottom candle, as in the bottom close, because price closed right here. All right, so this is on the monthly time frame. Okay, how I used to do, you can label this as month low if you would like, month low. And this is the month high because this is the most recent high. And like I said, I don't mark the wick up. I mark where the body close, as in right here. This is the body close and this is the wick. So I mark a body close up right here. And this is the month high. So now that I got the month low and the month high, I'm good for the monthly time frame. So now I can scale down to the weekly time frame. And I know some of you guys may say, oh, I got the same markups for the weekly and the monthly. And yes, that is possible. But it just lets you know. All right, so now, as you can see, this is the week low right here, as in this blue candle. And notice price is at the month low. Because why? This is a new month right now. So this is the week low right here, which I can see price respect the low, which is already doing. So I can see price buy. And the next target will be the month high. Because why? Like I said, we got imbalance. Like I talked to you guys in the other videos, price shot down massively, real hard with no mirror move yet. And also this is supply zone. So supply zone imbalance plus the month high. So we can label this a weekly high, but I don't. The reason why? Because I already got month low. Okay, so we can scale down. Once we scale down, now I see price wants to buy. Because why? I see price shot up hard, price came down for recess, and price respected. So now I need some more confirmation. So what I will do is I will mark me up another zone right here, which is the daily high. And like I said, I use the body. I use the top body, and this is the daily high. All right, so the next stop will be this daily high. So if price was to break this area, then yes, we know where it's going to target at right here for long term. All right, so we can scale down to the 8 hour. Well, I really don't use the 8 hour. So I got the monthly, I got the weekly, I got the daily. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour. So now we need to see how we're going to get in this. All right, so now I can see price. Price is not showing anything yet. As you can see, 4 hour zone. The reason why I'm gonna do a 4 hour zone just because price is not break this area yet. So I need to break this area, and then I can see price explode here. Because like I said, we got an imbalance. As you can see, these two massive candles going down that has to get filled. Or I can see price come back and target this weekly / month low one more time and don't close under. But if price was to close under this zone, I can see price break down and come back to get you for a recess. And I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I'm looking for. I want this. This should happen, as in break up, wait the price come down, get in, buy. Or if price don't want to do that, I can see price come down and respect again. If it don't respect, I can see price come down, go back up, and we're gonna target the next zone. So this is where we wait at. This is where we wait for a break of structure, as in a break of these highs, or a sell down to respect these lows and go back up, or a break all the way down and break this zone and come back and reset. But yeah, this is how I mark up my currency pairs. I'm not a currency trader. I used to trade currencies, but this is how I market my currency pairs. I just go to the monthly time frame and I scale down. And I'm going to do another currency pair for you guys. Like I said, I'm a simple trader. I don't I just keep it simple to show you guys how I correlate everything. And this is how I used to mark up. Do a fresh markup for you guys. We're gonna go to the monthly time frame. We're gonna see what's up. Okay. What I can see, as you can see, price been bearish, as in price been selling for a long time. All right, so what I can see is it closed a doji right here. So what I can see is the body, which is the body is right here. It's kind of ugly. So at this point in time, I will use this wick. That's what I will use. As in this a month low right here. You can mark it up if you want. Month low and the month high is right here. And you're gonna see how everything correlates when we go back down to the smaller time frame. This is the month high. All right, so now I'm done with the monthly time frame. I don't need nothing else on the monthly. And I might not need anything on the weekly. Nope, I don't. All right, so as you can see, this is the month low. Price is playing above the month low. Notice how these two bullish candles already shot up hard. So now we need some respecting right here. If this week candle was to close just like this, I can see price coming out just a tap and then explode up to the next month high. Why? Because supply area imbalance. So what I would do is the week high. Here we go right here. The weekly high. Week high right here. And that's all I need. I don't need anything else. Now I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. Maybe 4 hours. Yeah. As you can see, it's what I need. Price shot up hard, came down for a retest. If price don't close below this area right here, then it's not going to sell. If price stay above here, now I can see price buy, and it's going to break and reset this high. So we're going to go to the 4 hour time frame. We're going to see what's up because it's about time to get in. Like I say, as you can see, I already don't see anything yet. So I'm just going to go back to the daily time frame, and I will just wait on the daily. All right, so what I'm looking for is, I want price to shoot up hard, come down for a reset, the week high, and then we're gonna target the next zone, which is up here. If that don't happen, I can see price come down, reset the month low, and then y'all already know we're going the next zone, which is here. But yeah, this is how the higher time frame and the lower time frame cooperate. And like I said, I will go down to the smaller time frame, but I am a swing trader. And I'm gonna teach you guys different types of traders if you stay along with me in this journey of what is a swing trader, what is a scalper, intraday, and all that. But I'm a swing trader, so I enter on the higher time frame. But this is how I correlate the higher time frame versus the lower time frame. Stay in touch with me, guys. Let's run it up. Peace.